Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with the phone that I intended to get before, but I made some sales and now it's with me. It's none other than the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro. There we are, finally, and your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi Note 10 Pro, and it's loading the apps right now. Now let me explain to you guys what the whole deal with this was. As you know, I picked up the Mi Note 10 last week, then I picked up the CC9 Pro Premium Edition, and I told you guys I wasn't satisfied. I didn't really want to keep the China version of the phone. I really do value that deep Google integration, but I also didn't want to keep the lower level 6GB 128 gig version. So instead, what I just got, and I'll show you here in the actual box, this is the official Mi Note 10 Pro in Glacier White, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and this is the phone that I've been wanting just more than any other. That's the phone I've been wanting, and I told you I'd pick it up in this beautiful translucent color. Now, as we do here on Frankie Tech, always trying to do these unboxings one-handed, so I'm just going to take off the plastic now. Over there, let's kind of pull the edge, and we can kind of see it there. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, and that just fell to the ground. Anytime, anywhere, Frankie Street Tech. Oh yeah. And there it is, the Mi Note 10 Pro. You're seeing that kind of flickering there going on. I've noticed that it does that at kind of lower brightness, but there is the Mi Note 10 Pro, and this is the version I'm going to be keeping for testing moving forward. Now, to show you guys what is the software that we're running, 11.0.3, and we're also, as you can see, the details, storage 256 gigs. Let's go to all the specs here. 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. This is the, I think, perfect version of the phone, and I just got this for 4,000 Hong Kong dollars, 3,999. That's essentially 500 US dollars. So now for 500 US dollars, I think there's no better phone in terms of camera and in terms of build quality that you're gonna find. This is up there. Now, I do think a lot of you guys have been concerned about that Snapdragon 730G, but for me, it's a non-issue, guys. I really do think, yes, as Snapdragon 865 comes out, it will become much more of an issue. But for now, this mid-range chip is still a great chip. And you know what? Don't worry about performance. The 730G is a solid performer. As you can see here, we have all the Google apps already installed out of the box. And I just love it, guys. I love having that global use and having the kind of the Mi Note 10 Pro box as well, which is, let's face it, that's the one that I would have loved to have gotten so much long ago. But obviously, design, display, you've already heard the stories about this phone. But this gorgeous Glacier White is probably the nicest version of the phone, in my opinion. I looked at the green one, I looked at the black one, and this white one just, I feel, is the most premium looking. Still got that IR blaster, we got that USB-C 3.5mm headphone jack, and we still got, let's go allow, that 108 megapixel camera with that 50 times zoom. So let's go ahead and take a nice shot here. Quick Frankie Tech camera shot in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Looks good. Allow that. You see that deep Google integration there. It is working. It is like just, it's great when you set up the, you know, the Global ROM Xiaomi phones. It sets up almost like a stock Android phone. It asks you all the same kind of details as it would if you were using kind of an integrated Google solution. So, but let's go ahead and do some macro shots here too. Let's kind of get in there on the macro shot. I'm gonna zoom in there. There we go. And it's a little out of focus at the moment, and now let's kind of wrap up here though with one of these 50 times zoom shots. And I tried doing this last time, it was kind of tough. Let's see if I can do it again. Let's see here. There it is, 50 times zoom. Let's kind of go get see if we can find something to focus on up there. And Calvin Klein, baby. No, I don't want to get sued. Let's go to the 88 there. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. Oh yeah, there we go. You know who that is, Mr. Alligator. Let's see how he turned out. I only got his butt, just the alligator's butt here, unfortunately. But considering how far that is, look how far that is, guys. And that is, look at that. That is some incredible zoom. And I think this is why this DxO Mark Champ, this 121 overall score DxO Mark, this is the CC9 Pro Premium Edition, but guess what? This is also the Mi Note 10 Pro. This is the same phone. And so this is that DxO Mark Champ you have now in my hands, and I will be obviously keeping this for testing compared to other phones that I'll be testing. And obviously we know that K30 Pro is coming out pretty soon as well. But that is it, guys, for this just quick video. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad to now finally have the exact version of the phone that I wanted from the start in my hands. Max specs. This is the Mi Note 10 Pro, guys, and I'm so happy to now share it with you. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. It's pretty chilly here, guys. It's super cold, but you know what? I got my jacket on, I got my hoodie on. It's kind of rainy. That's why I'm in this like little awning here. I don't want to get rained on. If this was waterproof, I don't think it is a waterproof, but no worries here. I'm filming with the iPhone and the Galaxy Fold is in my pocket. That thing ain't coming out when it's raining, guys. So stay tuned, more great content coming up. And man, that Mi Mix Alpha, I just saw it again for the second time. Wow, it's just it's like unbelievable. So stay tuned for more details about that phone as well. Anyways, that's it, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.